So traders, on today's video, as you guys all know it, that if I don't share a weekly trading outlook, then it won't be a great trading week. So I'm about to share to you guys our possible directions for the coming week on 3 trading pairs that we always back on, which is nasdaq, gold, and usdcad. And not only giving you guys direction into possible directions as we're gonna anticipate, but to also educate you guys and show you guys what you have to work on and what you have to do in order to find tradable setups. But before we get any further, like on the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, click that link on my description to sign up with the broker that I trade with and highly recommend. And as you guys are all aware, COT Academy has a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, my Telegram link, my Instagram link, or any source of communication tool that we both have. So text us, DM us, or give us a call so we can chop it up, and so I can come to you for 2 days and give you all the gems and all the knowledge that you need within the Forex industry. But without further ado, let me not say much and let me not do much, but let me just break down to you guys what we might possibly look to encounter within the coming trading week. So first pair that we're going to be working on is forever nasdaq. And as you guys clearly understand, right here, behavior is bullish, structure is bullish, behavior is bullish. Now, as you guys clearly understand that for every weekly trading outlook that I've always shared, only one thing that I've always spoke about on the NAS is that if price had a close with a higher high, there's a higher possibility that we need to look forward for a higher low in order for us to look forward for possible new higher highs, right? And so you can clearly see that price at this higher high and price at this higher low and price at a continuation higher high to end the week. So for the coming week, it will be very simple. As you guys can clearly see, we're waiting for confirmation. This confirmation is based on us having to understand, are we gonna get what? A higher low formation, a pullback, or an exhaustion phase before we can anticipate what? Possible new higher highs. Because as price gives you a higher high, we need a higher low. And once price gives you a higher high, we need a higher low. And from every higher high, we need a higher low. From every higher low, we need a possible new higher high, right? So I can say this to you guys is very simple. As you guys can clearly see, we're simply waiting for a higher low, pullback on exhaustion phase before you can look forward for continuations to the upside of possible new all-time highs, right? But that's all I can say on the NAS for now, because we're simply waiting for confirmation. But more information will be shared within our midweek Forex update, right? So without further ado, we're gonna keep it the way we keep it on this day. Simply waiting for what? Pullback, higher low, or an exhaustion phase before we can look forward a continuation push phase. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, second pair, which is gold. And on gold, guys, you can clearly see that gold, we have marked out our support, and gold, we've marked out our intraday resistance. And obviously from marking out support and resistance, this will make you guys understand that how price is looking. It's not that price is in a range, or it's not that price is bullish or bearish. We're just gonna keep it the way we keep it until price gives us confirmation into what are we looking to do, right? So obviously from price giving us support and price reacting from support, then we need to look forward for a break above resistance or a fill above resistance, right? And that's all that we're gonna be waiting on or looking forward to, because as you can clearly note that with highs marked out and lows marked out, and the price is gonna give us a break above our highs, we're gonna look for possible new all-time highs. But if price will give us a fail to break, then I guess from price giving us this high and price pushing to the downside to give us this low, with price coming back and failing to break above, price gonna be giving us a what? An intraday double bottom and intraday double top. So from an intraday double top, price failed to break above and gave us a double top. So we might look for those intraday reversals to the downside. But all we're gonna be focusing on is for price to give us a clean break above our all-time high resistance in anticipation of possible new all-time highs, and that's what we're going to be focusing on. If price don't give us a break above, then we're going to take those intraday moves to the downside. You guys get that? So that's what we're going to be focusing on. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USDCad, and when you guys clearly understand our take on USDCad, it's very simple. Well, it's kind of choppy, but USDCad is very simple, right? So USDCad, as you guys clearly understand, price at this triple bottom, right? Price gave us the triple bottom. So with a triple bottom, we now understood that every time price came back to this intraday triple bottom zone, price gave us some type of word, price gave us some type of reaction, right? So from every reaction that price gave us, from every fail to break, price gave us a reversal to the upside. And understanding that this is our major zone marked out. So with our major zone marked out, I need you to leave you with one thing before we end the video. Price has 3 takes on USDCad for the coming week. 1, price needs to give us a break below our triple bottom, because price has been failing to break for quite a long time, and price is looking kind of bearish within ending the week. So we might anticipate our break below our triple bottom zone in anticipation of those moves to the downside. Second one, if price is gonna trade above our major zone, we might look forward for those moves to the upside. And with looking for moves to the upside, trading above our major zone gives us an indication that price is above a major zone, that price tends to be bearish every time it trades below, right? So from trading above, we might look for those moves to the upside. And with that being said, we're simply going to be waiting for price to give us a break below our intraday triple bottom zone. With a break below, we look for those moves to the downside. With a fail to break, we might look for those intraday reversals to the upside. But I'm going to keep it the way I keep it. We have 2 takes, not 3 takes, forgive me for that. So first take, we need a break below our intraday resistance, our intraday triple bottom zone in anticipation of moves to the downside, or a break above our major zone in anticipation of those moves to the upside. And that's what we're going to be focusing on within the trading week. But always be mindful, more videos going to be dropping soon within the trading week. But all we ask is to like all your videos, share the videos, leave a comment, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and highly recommend. And as you guys are well aware, COT Academy, there's a 50% discount in our 2-day in-person mentorship course. I've left my number, and I've left any source of communication tool that I have. I'm going to be waiting for your DMs, and I'm going to be waiting for your calls, because I'm ready to come change your trading journey for the good and the better. You guys get that? But without further ado, that's up for Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next educational video. Bye for now.